Dace with black bean sauce can be eaten directly or used for stir fry. Let's use it to steam soft tofu today. The tender tofu absorbs the salty flavor of black bean sauce and dace. Friends who have tried this dish know how delicious it is. YouTube, friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can, please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. Save this recipe now so you may refer back anytime in the future. Tofu. Fried dace with salted black beans. Remove fried dace with salted black beans from can, scramble fried dace and set aside. Pour salted black beans into another bowl. 1 teaspoon light soy sauce. 1 teaspoon sugar. Mix well. Remove tofu from casing. Cut at both edges of casing to ease of release tofu. Press at the middle and tofu will come out smoothly. Cubes tofu or slice it at your own preference. Place fried dace salted black beans on top of tofu. High flame steam for 15 minutes. Remove steamed tofu from rice cooker. Savory soft tofu is done. This dish is easy and time-saving. It can be steamed together while rice cooking. Hope you liked my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. I like Easyrecipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? I often use the same ingredients for variations, suitable for small families to cook with one ingredient, come up with 2 or even 3 different dishes. The process of steaming retains the essential vitamins and minerals found in vegetables. Steaming further amplifies the power of certain vitamins like vitamin B, thiamine, niacin, and vitamin C. Also, some minerals like potassium, calcium, phosphorus, and zinc remain intact. tofu has fiber, and high-fiber diets keep your colon healthy and cancer risk low. Memory and brain health. Some studies suggest soy foods like tofu might prevent memory loss and trouble thinking as you get older, but the research on this is mixed. Compounds in tofu appear to protect against illnesses such as heart disease, diabetes, and even certain types of cancer. In addition, this soy food may promote brain and bone health and have several other benefits. As such, tofu makes a great addition to a well-rounded diet. Soya products like miso, tofu, and edamame, also called green soybeans, are all diuretics, which help in the detoxification process as they increase the flow of urine and help flush out impurities through the kidneys in the form of urine. Dace is a freshwater fish known as mud carp native to southern China. It has tender, white flesh and is chock full of tiny thin bones. Fried dace, a carp prepared with fermented black soybeans, is a tasty, salty, canned seafood, enjoyed in SE Asia for many decades and available in Asian supermarkets worldwide. There are more delicious fried dace salted black beans recipes in my channel. Do check them all. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, ya.